If you haven't made a Princess Dart Bustier blouse or Princess Dart Bustier dress before, then this video is for you. In 4 minutes, I'll be showing you how to draft the Princess Dart Bustier. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So for you to draft your Princess Dart Bustier, you need to start with your basic bodice. So first you get your shoulder line, and all your vertical measurements will be taken from there. So you mark your chest line, your bust point line, your under bust, your half length, and your waist. Okay, so you can connect all the points just as you can see, then label them accordingly. So when you are done doing that, on that armhole line, that's that straight line perpendicular to the chest line, you just get the midpoint, okay, and you come in by ½ an inch. After getting that, you go to the chest line and you are going to mark your round bust measurement divided by 4 there, and you also mark the same thing on the bust point line. So for the under bust, you get your round under bust measurement, divide everything by 4 till you get to the full length of your blouse. Then you get your armhole curve to create your armhole line, just as you can see. Then on that line, you just come down by 4 or 5, or you just get the midpoint. But before we draft the basic bodice or the bustier, now let's get the nipple to nipple. Okay, so I just use my marker to mark from under bust down to the full length. Then I may just use my pencil to extend the line from the under bust upward. So I did that so I would not get confused. So I took 1.5 inches on one side and ½ inch on the other side of my bust span. Okay, then I got my armhole curve to create a curve like that. So I'll just be joining it to that point I marked on the armhole line. Very easy. So make sure you remove all the sharp corners, blend everything well, and you can see it's making sense. Okay, so from that line I came down by 2 inches and I was just to connect it to my bust point, just as you can see. So because I came down by 2 inches, I also extended that line by 2 inches. So if you come down by 1 inch, you also extend the line by 1 inch, okay, and you will now have a new armhole curve. So you see those parts I'm marking with XXX. I'll cut everything out. So it's now time to add back my dart. Okay, so I'll just take the measurement, add it, then I'll add my sewing allowance. You see, very easy, very easy. So I will just add everything like this, and I'm going to connect everything, and you start seeing the shape coming out. You can determine your neck design. You can make a U-neck, you can make any shape of your choice. So for this blouse that I made, there was a little twist to the neck design, so it was not just the regular U or V-neck. Okay, so keep watching guys. I will upload the rest of the video soonest. So this is an easy way to draft your Princess Dart Bustier blouse, and you can use it to sew any style you want, even a lovely gown, you know, and you will look so good in it. So this is how it is when drafted, and this is the front panel. So I just went ahead to use my pattern paper to cut out the fabric. My lining, I also attached hairstay to the fabric so that it's stable. I went ahead to pad it as well, which I'll be showing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.